what are we doing today, Tyler?
So we are installing this rear diffuser right here. So it's gonna go just like that. Looks pretty aggressive, pretty cool. Should be pretty easy. I think you just drill in basically. It's just you tap a couple holes, put a couple screws in, and you run with it. So
what diffuser is this?
this is a CJM Industries. I believe it's like style number 3. It's like the shark tail one. I don't remember exactly, but there's like 4 different styles. So yeah, just CJM Industries. I believe it was Barry Backer. They're the same thing. I think they're owned by the same people. But yeah, it was pretty cheap on Euro tuning, and it's just plastic, but it's good quality from what I've heard. So yeah,
let's get started. All right, so here is basically all the supplies for the diffuser, minus the actual diffuser itself. It's over there behind the car. But CJM Industries provides amazing pictures for us to follow with, so that'll be really nice, as well as a numbered step-by-step instructions that we're going to be following, as well as the required hardware. So we're kind of just getting everything laid out, and yeah, it's going to be me and Josh installing this. Okay, so we took off these T25 Torx. So there's 2 that kind of go in right here. Actually, can I get that light? There we go. So there's 2 in the wheel well. The light will stay there. Here and here. And then there's 1 underneath. I think it's like somewhere in this region. And then you pull back the, God, whatever this fabric, it's been a long day, whatever this fabric is called. Fender liner, and then there's this little plastic piece that you have to scooch out from like this little crevice in there. Looks like this. So there's 2 additional T25s you have to take out, and then you just slide this out. So that's where we're at now. Now we have to assemble the diffuser. So we got the diffuser clipped onto the valence by some clamps. And now basically what I'm working on are the mounting points. You can see 1 there and 1 there. You basically just take your drill with a 6mm drill bit, and you just drill out the mounting holes through the diffuser into your valence. So super easy, just taking care of that right now. Okay, I just finished up all of the mounting holes for the center base plate, so you can see them all tightened in there. So, like I said, just drilling out into the valence and then putting in the hardware that comes with it, so the bolts and the nut. So, yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Looks pretty good. Now we just got to do the side attachment seats, but already, yeah, that looks really nice. Alright, so the side piece, oh nice, is finished over on this side. You can kind of see what it looks like. It's got like a nice little double layer aspect to it. But yeah, just drilled out 2 holes for this upper part. Then you use the included spacer and the longer bolts to connect them. And then you drill out 2 holes over here for this guy. So Tyler's basically working on doing the same for the passenger side. And now I'm going to just reassemble this. So putting the fender liner back with the T25s. So now both sides are finished. Looks really, really nice. Backing up just a little bit so you can see it. Camera doesn't really pick it up because of the shadows, but yeah, I'll see if I can get good angle maybe here-ish. Yeah. But yeah, everything's all done. Tyler's just putting the wheels back on. And yeah. So diffuser done.
Diffuser was really easy. It's just following instructions, drilling holes, and that's it. It doesn't take much. Compared to suspension, oh my God.
Yeah.
The diffuser took no time comparatively.
So we did 2 videos today. If you watch a lot of our videos, you notice. So we did the coilovers on the Mark 7.5, and we also did a diffuser.
Yep.
I don't know which video is going to come out first, but for the diffuser, super easy.
Yes.
I think that was probably the easiest thing.
Oh, for sure.
We've
It was
ever
the
done.
easiest install for sure, and it looks fucking sick.
Yeah.
It makes the back end look so aggressive.
It looks really good. I don't know, when I was doing B-roll and taking the thumbnail picture, I don't know how well it showed up on camera, but in person, it looks so much better. Completely transforms the rear of that car.
It does.
Like,
It looks really good.
if you are after aesthetics, that is like a must-have.
And it's not expensive either. It's like less than $200, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Which is not bad.
Yeah. So, all right. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Peace.